Hi guys, Tom here. Today's project is replacing this bent front brake lever on my TBR7 Dual Sport with a new stock lever. This is pretty much an easy process, but because there's so much safety associated with the brake, we do have to take a couple little extra steps to ensure we're replacing compatible parts with compatible parts. This is a new brake lever. It's basically a stock one. The hole is the same diameter as the bolt. It has a little projection here for operating the master cylinder. It has a projection here to operate the brake switch. So we're going to remove this brake lever and we're going to put this brake lever on. I have my magnetic parts tray right here on the side of the gas tank. We're going to remove this bolt and of course the nut underneath. Now for the TBR7, it's a 10mm bolt and nut. One nut, it's a nylock, right into the parts tray. The bolt, we can look at the condition of the bolt, make sure it's still good. And here is the old brake lever. That can go bye-bye. It's a great opportunity to clean inside, get any old dirt and grease. Opportunity to clean off the bolt. And now it's time for the new brake lever. A lubricant will help with the smooth operation of the brake lever as well as prevent premature wear. Because it's a dual sport, I'm going to use a dry lubricant like a graphite powder. Just kind of wear it around on the bolt. Put a little tiny coating. Now, put the new lever in with the bolt. Lining up is a challenge. However, if you push the brake lever in, a lot of times the bolt will drop right back down. Now we're going to put the nut back on. I'm going to use a little thread locker to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Tiny bit goes a long way. Thread it on by hand so we don't cross thread the bolt and the nut. And now tighten up the nut and bolt. Test for smooth operation. Turn the bike on. Checking for a brake light, turning on and off, so it's activating the switch. I feel resistance as I squeeze the lever, so I believe the front brake calipers are grabbing onto the rotor. I have a new brake lever for my TBR7. Thanks for following along. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.